Am I wrong for not going to my husband's celebration dinner because the restaurant didn't have anything that I could eat? For the last 2 years, my husband has been working really hard to advance in his company, and he finally got the promotion that he was after. I'm so proud of him, and his parents were too, so they decided to take us out to dinner to celebrate. Now, my husband absolutely loves prime rib, and there's only one good restaurant that serves it in our town, so he picked that for us to go to dinner to. The thing is, I don't like steak. I eat it every once in a while, but it's not my favorite. I've always preferred chicken or fish, and I decided to check out their menu, and right now it's extremely limited. The place had only one fish entree and 2 chicken entrees, and neither one of them sounded all that good. I told him that he should probably pick another restaurant so that everybody can enjoy dinner, and he said that he wanted to go there because we rarely go there and we regularly go to all the other restaurants in town, which is true, but those places have a lot of variety so everyone can be happy. He suggested that I ask the restaurant if they could make the chicken or fish entrees more to my liking, but I didn't want to be difficult for the kitchen staff. His next suggestion was that I just order dessert at the restaurant while him and the family eat, and then he would take me wherever I wanted afterwards to get dinner while they ate dessert. At that point, I told him that I just didn't want to go because I didn't want to just sit there and watch everybody eat and have a good time while I'm just eating dessert. My husband asked me to go so that he could celebrate with the people most important to him. I told him no again, and then I told him that he needs to hurry up and get going or he's going to be late. He did go, but then they all came back less than an hour later with to-go boxes. He said that he couldn't think of a reason to tell the kids why I didn't go without lying or making me sound bad. So he just let them spend some time with their grandparents and then ordered the food to go. I told him that that was ridiculous and he should have just sat down and enjoyed dinner with his family. He told me that I put him in a rough spot by deciding not to go and I should have just put my picky eating aside for one night. He added that I knew that he wanted everyone there and that I was being selfish. I still think that if he wanted everybody there so bad, he would have picked a restaurant where everybody would have been happy. So does that make me the bad guy? Absolutely. You're selfish, entitled, and a 10 out of 10 a-hole. Let me know what you guys think.